With the increasing demand for fast and reliable deliveries, last-mile operators must ensure that their vehicles are always in good condition. But an ongoing challenge that persists within the industry is the need for timely and reliable preventive maintenance. At LMDmax, we provide hassle-free preventive maintenance services designed to help last-mile operators avoid potential setbacks and keep their vehicles in top condition. Our expert technicians perform services after your vehicle's daily trips, so there is no idle time during maintenance. Also, our maintenance services are conducted right at your premises, so there will be no hassle of sending your vehicles to distant service stations. We understand the importance of evidence of work. That's why we provide detailed reports and visual proof of completed maintenance to assure that the job is done properly. It doesn't stop there. Say goodbye to operational hassles. We take care of all the invoices and payments and automatically update your vehicle data. With LMDmax Preventive Maintenance, last-mile operators ensure seamless operations, avoid vehicle grounding and improve efficiency without spending a penny. LMDmax is committed to make your lives easier. To know more, book a free demo, visit us at www.lmdmax.com.